What companies face every day? Engineers and designers create a lot of valuable data. Sales may need that data for an RFQ, request for quote. Marketing, a big user of the data. They want those pretty pictures you make in CAD for their brochures. Where are they going to find those? They're going to tap engineers on the shoulder to get that. Manufacturing, obviously, manufacturing not only for the actual part that they're manufacturing, but for creating the tooling and fixturing to support it. Purchasing, well, how much raw material do I bring in to manufacture the part? So they're part of that chain as well. You got sales and marketing, yes, sales. They're participating in this. And then the product changes to improve quality. So that's manufacturing one more time when they communicate by redlining. Okay. How does the customer and the field service get impacted? Field services, you ship a product or your product's being used by customers in the field. You may have field service reps, I'm not sure. But they can also have access to the data to make sure that what they're looking at in the field is either up to date or out of date, installation of equipment, etc. So these are all big areas where the data can be consumed and used.